Greetings, fellow math enthusiast. Do you want to see your students excel in math? Do you want to empower your teachers with Singapore math strategies and pedagogy? I'm Cassie Turner of Math Champions Professional Development, and I'd like to invite you to join us this summer at our Jumpstart Your Singapore Math workshops. I started these workshops 10 years ago to help schools who needed just a few teachers introduced to the Singapore math approach. Now, since then, we've grown to a 2-day differentiated conference that will prepare anyone for teaching with the Singapore math curriculum. My co-presenter, Susan Resnick, and I welcome you to attend differentiated sessions that allow you to follow your needs and interests. You can choose from sessions that focus on early math content like number bonds, or take a deep dive into word problems and bar models. You can learn how Singapore curriculum approaches the vertical algorithms, or spend some time practicing your mental math. Between Susan and I, we've written most of the teacher materials for the Singapore math programs available in the United States, and we can help you plan your lessons to start the year off strong. Now, once you attend, you're part of our Math Champions family, and we have resources and tools to help you throughout the year. Jumpstart Your Singapore Math is designed for teachers, coaches, administrators, even homeschooling parents that want an introduction to the approach. Still have questions? Feel free to reach out by email. Ready to register? Check out the links below. I look forward to meeting you in Los Angeles or Denver or even online this summer. See you there.